How to tie perfection loop knots. In order to start with the knot, make a loop at the line's end. To do this, make the end pass behind the standing line. After that, make a turn around the standing line. Thus, you will have your second loop formed. Fixate everything and make one more turn around the line. But note that in this case, you should cross the top of the second loop. Make sure you hold the end in its place and put the first loop into the second one. Finally, pull the second loop to tighten the knot. Cut the end. The perfection loop knot is ready. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for more.
Please like and subscribe.
Fin Fishing TV.